So you've just landed a new job, and that is a big deal. So take a moment to celebrate that. You got through the interview, you were well prepared, and now it is about to pay off. But before you get caught up in the excitement of a new job title, a new paycheck, or even expanding your wardrobe, I want you to take a minute to lay out your financial plans for this money you're going to be earning. And this is because having a job is a really powerful earning opportunity and you want to maximize it. But so many people don't pay attention and they let the opportunities slip through their fingers. So, we're going to talk about the key financial moves you're going to take based on this new job that you just got. Hey everyone, my name is Bola Shokumbi. I'm the founder and CEO of Clever Girl Finance. I'm also the 6-time best-selling author of the Clever Girl Finance book series and my new book, Clever Girl Millionaire. Welcome to Clever Girl Finance TV. So now that you've gotten your new job, let's talk about 7 money moves that I would like you to make as soon as possible. Number 1, review your benefits carefully. So before you enroll in anything, it's important that you compare your benefit options very carefully. These are your health plans, your retirement plans, your insurance plans, your FSA, and your HSA plans. Don't just pick up what looks familiar or click on a checkbox just because there is a deadline associated to it. You want to make sure that whatever is offered across these plans actually meet your unique needs. The difference between choosing the right package and the wrong package can actually cost you thousands of dollars a year. So slow down, read the details, and if you are unsure, ask HR to walk you through it because that's what they're there for. So definitely compare your benefit options and pick what's going to work best for you, not what is the cheapest, and not because you're under pressure to meet a deadline. Again, pick what's going to work best for your unique situation. Number 2, adjust your retirement contributions immediately. So if your employer offers you a match, you want to contribute enough to get that full match because that is free money and you definitely want to take advantage of that. Walking away from it is like giving yourself a pay cut before you even start this new job. Sometimes your employer might put a 90-day probationary period on you being able to contribute to your 401k plan. And if that's the case, set a reminder so as soon as that time elapses, you can start contributing immediately and you can get that match as soon as possible. And if your salary has increased from your previous job, this is the perfect time to also increase your retirement contributions. And if you're able to, max them out. Your future you will be incredibly grateful that you made this decision. Number 3, update your tax withholdings. So you want to head over to the IRS withholding estimator and make sure that your W-4 reflects your new earnings. If you under withhold, you likely owe a bill to the IRS in April. And if you over withhold, it's like you're giving the government an interest-free loan of your hard-earned money for an entire year. So it's important that you check that withholding and you update it accordingly. Number 4, avoid lifestyle inflation. This is one that derails most people, but it feels comfortable in the moment when you get a new job and if you are getting an increased salary. You're thinking about the new apartment, the new car, updating your wardrobe, and so much more. But you want to give your new income time to settle. So give yourself a few months before you start doing any lifestyle upgrades. Make sure your take home pay, your benefits, your deductions, and your tax situation are all settled before you start spending extra money. And also think about how you want to upgrade your financial goals, your savings, your investments, your debt payoff before you think about upgrading your lifestyle. Yes, you want to enjoy your new salary, but you want to do it within reason without derailing your financial goals for your future self. Number 5, build or strengthen your emergency fund. So a new job is exciting, but it is still new. You're likely in a probationary period, right? And you may not fully understand the work culture or have the guaranteed job stability yet. So it's really important that you start putting money aside to either build your emergency fund or bulk up your existing emergency fund. This is not the time to let your emergency savings slide. This is the time to prioritize it so you can give yourself financial peace of mind knowing that you have money in the bank to cover any situation in the event that life happens. Aim to have 3 to 6 months of your core essentials in a high yield savings account. So, whether you're stepping into your first real salary or this new job is giving you your biggest salary yet, I want you to check out my book, Clever Girl Millionaire. This book is about turning your income into real, lasting, long term wealth and not just building a bigger lifestyle. It walks you through exactly how to go from earning to owning. Get your copy wherever books are sold, and be sure to stop by clevergirlfinance.com. Check out our awesome content, our podcast, and our over 30 plus completely free courses as you work on this journey to building wealth. Number 6, now that you've gotten a new job, this is time to set a new income goal. So you got this job, but what's next? What does promotion look like? What certifications or skills would increase your income down the line? Is there an opportunity to bring in side income that aligns with your expertise? Start your new role with your eyes already on the future and start thinking about how you can increase your income even more. Because why not have that goal? Writing down your next income goal will help you keep your eye on a bigger prize so you don't get too comfortable in this space. It's all about being intentional on this journey to building wealth. And number 7, track your first 3 paychecks at this new job very carefully. So for your first 3 paychecks, you want to sit down and actually review every line on those paychecks. Confirm your salary is correct. Confirm your benefits and your deductions are correct. Confirm that your retirement contributions and insurance payments, etc., are coming out as you expect them to. And just be aware of any payroll mistakes so that you can let your employer know as soon as possible. Payroll mistakes are actually more common than we might think. And the longer you wait to catch them, the harder they can be to fix. So, like I said earlier, a new job is an incredible wealth building opportunity. Not only are you in this new space, you're earning an income that is hopefully a consistent and steady income. And this gives you an opportunity to not just earn, but also to grow, to build, and to own. So, tell me in the comments if you have just gotten a new job, what is the first money move you're going to be making? If this video has helped you, share it with a friend who you know has just started a new role as well. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you in the next video.